Hi everyone, I'm Nilima and I welcome you back to Exploring MS. This video is a part 1 of my MS diagnosis journey. Well, multiple sclerosis or MS, it's not just a term, it's not just a medical term or a disease, right? It is something that changed my life completely. So, in this first part of my journey, I would, like to start from the very beginning, like, when I did not even have MS, But before I got the diagnosis, there was, certain signs that I was going through, right? And that is what I want to talk about in this particular video. Well, my symptom, it was just a normal day. I was in office and out of nowhere, I started to slur. I mean, I could not understand, right, what exactly I was going through. So, before the diagnosis, you start with symptoms, right? So my symptoms was like slurring of speech. So I was not able to speak the way that I'm talking right now, right? It was very difficult to even utter a single word. I mean, when I used to hear myself speak, I felt like I don't know how do I even express it. Words that I was thinking, I was just not able to utter it. And even if I would say the word, I was taking such a what to say force maybe to utter that out of my mouth. And I was like clueless what exactly was happening. In fact, I was in office, right? So my colleagues, they were like just making fun of me, and I was also making fun of myself, like because I felt like it was nothing. I just like might be just like a bad joke, but then again, it was not a joke for me, right? I was going through that symptom, and I really was not able to understand what was happening. So the day passed by. I said, okay, maybe it was just a bad day. And then the next day, again, the same thing. Again, I'm just not able to speak properly. My words, they are completely, distorted. I had to really take time to even utter a single word. I was not able to talk. That was so strange, so scary. At the same time, it was totally overwhelming. And then I thought, okay, after a couple of days, I thought I have to see a doctor. Now, something like this, you don't even know whom do you visit, right? So I went and I visited a you know general physician, because I think that's the main doctors that you see, right, when you face any issues. So he gave me a lot of medicines, and I bought all of those medicines and I took the medicines. But then nothing helped. None of the medicines that I was taking was helping. I my slurring problem, my speech problem was constantly growing. Even all those medicines was not helping at all. I was like really really scared at that point in time, like not knowing what is happening to me, honestly. And just at that point in time, one of my friend, he mentioned just see a neurologist. And I was like, why would I need a neurologist? Because till then I had never been to a neurologist. For me, neurologist was somebody who's a brain doctor, right? I mean, in a layman term, a neurologist is a brain doctor. So, I had problem with speaking. So, I mean, as a layman, I was not, uh, I would not understand that everything is connected. My speech was also connected to my brain. I would not know then. But he said, you should see a neuro. So I thought maybe okay. Now since the general physician was not helping, so I thought okay, let me go ahead and at least try and see a neuro. So at that point in time, I used to live in Gurgaon. So I went to Fortis in Gurgaon, which is near the Huda city center, right? So I went and I took an appointment with Dr. Shamsher Divedi. So I met him. He asked me a bunch of neurological questions, like he made me walk, he did some kind of normal, test with his hands and his tools that he had, right? So that was the time when he asked me just walk in a straight line, like, one foot after the other, like this way, and I was not able to walk in the straight line. I thought everyone might be facing the same problem, right? How can you walk in the straight line like that? So it was normal for me. It did not make any sense why he was even asking me to do those kind of basic tests. And then at the end he said, okay, you need to go ahead and do the MRI. So I said, fine. So, so these are the things that, doctors usually, tell you, right? So I said, okay, I'll do a MRI and then I'll come and show you. So then I went ahead and I did an MRI, and that was like, I think that MRI might have taken more than an hour. Luckily, my friend was there with me. So, she accompanied me all the time, because that now again, MRI was the first time for me. Yeah, this brain MRI, that was the very first time I was doing it in that particular machine, which made such a huge noise. I was so scared. The entire process, before being diagnosed, I was so scared. And thankfully, Anu, my friend, very close friend of mine, she was with me, and she accompanied me, and she was there for more than that 1 hour when I was inside that machine. I came out of it, and then I asked the radiologist, what is it, like, what's the problem? And then he said, doctor will let you know. So I said, okay. But that point in time, the moment I came out of that machine, my head was like, I don't know, I was feeling so dizzy, I was not even able to stand properly. Thankfully, Anu was there, so she drove me back, and I remember I crashed at her place that day, and I slept for, I don't know, maybe at least 12 hours, because that machine, that inside the machine had done some kind of a, it was very damaging and depressing, all of it at the same time. And till now I was not even diagnosed. Just the pre MS story is what I'm sharing, right? So, and I didn't know what was in store for me. Till then I was still like, hopeful that maybe there's some issues which will be identified and I'll be cured. That's what my thought was, but I didn't know something else was waiting for me, right? And that was, the pre MS story is what I wanted to share in this particular video, because I really don't want to overwhelm you with all the medications and all that. I'll cover it in the second part. It's not, I mean, I'm not feeling it. It is not easy for me also, to relive those moments and speak about it. So maybe in the next part I'll cover what happened. But I think now I really want to end this. I just wanted to let you guys know how it started, and what was the process pre MS. Stay tuned, and I'll cover more in the next upcoming video. Bye bye.
Exploring, and us together we